India can only emerge if we all live in perfect harmony with each other. Our students and teachers donated generously to show their solidarity and oneness to orphans and poor. Ladies and gentlemen, it is needless to say that all these developments would not have been possible if a generous and constant help from our patron JSPL would not have reached us. I am deeply grateful to our reverse chairman, Honorable Sri Naveen Jindal sir, whose valuable and kind support has never ceased to come by. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the plant head for his valuable guidance for all-round development of the school. I equally feel elated to express my thanks to the chairman of OP Jindal School Managing Committee, members of the School Managing Committee for their consistent guidance and inspiration that has served as a motivating factor. I am very much thankful to media persons for highlighting our achievements. My sincere thanks to the parents and especially to the mothers who send their children to the school on time and take care of their nutrition and health. Last but not the least, my sincere thanks to my colleagues without whose cooperation and hard work we would not have achieved this height. Once again, I conclude with thanks to all of you for steady support and patience listening. I take this opportunity to wish you a very, very happy and prosperous New Year. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
दुर्गा तू भवानी संसाराची तूच जननी सारी माया तुझी अंबे कृपा करी अंबे कृपा करी तू ग दुर्गा तू भवानी सारी माया तुझी अंबे कृपा करी अंबे कृपा करी अंबे कृपा करी तू ग दुर्गा तू भवानी संसाराची तूच जननी सारी माया तुझी अंबे कृपा करी अंबे कृपा करी Amre हमरे कृपा करी हमरे
Presentation of devotion in this Marathi dance.
Fabulously, it reminded us Mahishasur Mardini.
Well, moving on to our next performance. Birth was not our choice. Death will not be ours. But the way we live is ours, absolutely ours. So, enjoy it. And especially when we are talking about a personality like Manna Day.
Well, talking about music, Manna Dey was really a stalwart of this music world. We are flooded with his memories, his songs, and especially his renditions.
His voice and unique style enthralled a whole generation. Manna Dey truly had a golden voice that ruled our hearts for decades. So here we present a tribute to the great soul.
ए भाई जरा देख के चलो आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी ए भाई जरा देख के चलो आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी ए भाई चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया 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 उड़ उड़ बैठी हलवैया तो कन्या उड़ बैठी हलवैया उड़ उड़ बैठी हलवैया तो कन्या अरे बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाले मुनिया बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया papi bichua bichua कैसो रे papi bichua bichua
ओ दैया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ दैया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ
पहले बीट में
है मेरी ज़रूरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। है मेरी ज़रूरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ना चाहूं सोना चांदी, ना चाहूं हीरा मोती, ये मेरे किस काम के।
ना मांगो बंगला गाड़ी, ना मांगो घोड़ा गाड़ी, ये तो है बस नाम के।
देती है दिल दे बदले में दिल के, देती है दिल दे बदले में दिल के।
तेरे साहिबा प्यार में सौदा नहीं। तेरे साहिबा प्यार में सौदा नहीं।
ना चाहूं सोना चांदी, ना चाहूं हीरा मोती, ये मेरे किस काम के। न मांगू बंगला बाड़ी, न मांगू घोड़ा गाड़ी, ये तो है बस नाम के। देता है दिल दे बदले में दिल के, देता है दिल दे बदले में दिल के। तेरे सरबा प्यार में सौदा नहीं।
It is just like the feeling that a 1 year baby has. When he is thrown in air, still he laughs because he knows he will be caught by his parents when he comes down.
And the next question that arises, do we fulfill the trust of our parents when they grow older?
Well, do you know Arzu, when do people share the same last name?
Yes, very simple. When they belong from the same family tree. I mean, the son shares the same last name of his father.
Well, in today's materialistic relationship within a family is quite questionable.
Do you know, Abhijit, that the parents who create home for their children with their blood and sweat, sometimes they are sent for the old age homes.
I am fine. What? You are coming today? Oh, I am very happy, Papa. I will see you after so long time. Yeah, don't worry, Papa. I will be there to receive you. Yeah, don't worry. Oh, I am very happy today because today my father is coming. I love my father. I am glad that I will see him after so long time.
You are looking very much happy. What happened?
Yes, darling. Today father is coming.
Your father?
Yes.
Why and for how long?
Yeah, he said that there's some urgent work and he will be staying with us for a month.
For 1 month? Have you gone mad? No, he will not stay with us. Send him to your brother's home.
Brother's home, but why?
Yeah, do you hear me? Send him to your brother's home. Otherwise, I will go to my mom.
Wait, please wait. Don't go to mom's house, please.
Then just find a way. Call your brother.
Now only.
Yeah, waiting for what? Call him now.
Hello? Yeah, Chotu? Yeah, please come to my home. There's an urgent piece of work. Yeah, I will tell you later. First of all, you come here, quickly. Yeah.
That will be nice. Let's hope he agrees.
Yeah, let's go.
Let them come.
Yes, come in. Oh, you both have come.
Hi. How are you? I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Why you have called us, bhaiya?
Yeah, you see, father called me. And he said that he is coming today only.
Father is coming.
Yes.
It's a nice news.
And you should be happy to know that he will be staying with you only.
What?
Yes.
You are my big brother. This is your responsibility. You know, bhaiya, I'm already facing lot of problems.
But listen, Chotu Bhaiya, today only he is coming, so we have to decide where he will stay. We must solve this problem as soon as possible.
What do you say?
Listen, last time when he came to my house, it was a horrible experience. He is such a nuisance. Oh God, not again. This time he is going to stay with you only.
No. Wait. I have an idea. Why don't we call your younger sister Anu, who always claims that she loves and cares for your father a lot? Let's call her.
Yeah, that will be great.
Hello Anu, I have a good news for you. I will crack this news in front of you only, so come to Bhaiya's house. Yeah, bye. She is coming.
That will be nice if she agrees.
Yeah.
Let's hope. Let her come.
Oh, you both have
Hello,
come.
Bhaiya.
Nice to see you.
Hi,
Hello,
Anu.
how are you?
Bhabhi. How are
Hi.
you? I'm
And
good.
what
How
about
are
you?
I'm also fine.
Oh, Bhabhi, what's the good news?
The good news is that your father is coming today, and you will be really glad to know that this time he will be living with you only.
Oh, really? My father is coming? I'm so happy to know that. And I would request him to stay with us forever.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. That's not good. That's not right. I'm his son-in-law. Both of you are his sons. It is your responsibility.
Please don't say this. He's my father. He's not a burden to me.
But he is burden for me.
Look, he's not only my father. He's also your father-in-law. You should also take care of him.
But-
Wait. Why don't we make any other arrangement for him?
What
kind
kind
of
of
arrangement? We should send him to the old age home.
Old age
Old age
home?
home?
Yeah, old age home. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Old age home is not that bad idea. Many people live there. We would pay for that.
No, he won't go to old age home. I'm alive. My father will live with me.
But old age home is a nice idea. And you listen, that house is mine. If you will speak like that, I will give you divorce.
What? Divorce? But what about our children?
So come along with me. I'm going.
But he's my father.
No, they are giving burdens to us.
Please wait, Rahul, please. Don't leave.
No,
Rahul.
I'm going. Come along with me.
Oh God, Rahul has denied to keep Papaji. Now what will happen?
You know what? When he is here, it's a disgusting experience.
Yeah, you know, last time when he came to my house, he made me feel in front of my friends.
And you know what? He doesn't know even table manners.
He's just out of go.
not bear him again.
Why you are saying like this about your father-in-law?
You shut up. You have no idea what is the problems we have to face when your father is here. Just stand there and think of a solution. Don't interrupt us. Why is he always interrupting us? And you know what? When he is here, we just lose all our freedom. Yeah. When he is here, no kiddie parties, no get-togethers. And when he is here, we have to work whole day like servants.
Please don't say this. He's your father-in-law.
You just shut up. You don't have idea what problems we face. You go to the office and whole day we have to work for him, always caring about him. Instead of thinking of a solution, you are suggesting me.
Mummy, Papa, why are you worried about Dadaji?
You girl, just shut up. Why are you not studying, listening our talk? Last time also your marks were not so good. If this time also they will be bad, then I will slap you. Do you get it?
Please don't scold her. What's her fault?
You just shut up. When I'm talking to my daughter, I don't need any kind of interruption. And you, why still standing here? Go and study. Let's go inside and think of a solution. Rani, see who is at the door?
Okay, Mama. Dadaji?
Oh, God bless you.
Mummy, Papa, Dadaji has come.
Father, come.
Oh, God bless you all. How are you people? Nice?
Yeah, we are fine, father.
All of you looking very disturbed. What is the matter?
No, nothing is the matter. No.
We were just thinking that you came here all of a sudden.
No, it is not all of sudden. You know, I am an old man and sick also. So the time has come to hand over all the responsibilities to you people. After the death of your mother, I am all alone, all alone. So I have decided to live with you people.
With us? Do you mean that you have come here for forever?
Yeah, I have no other choice.
What? Let's go inside. My mood is not okay.
Yes, that will be fun. I'm so happy.
Yes.
Dadaji, come, I will show you the place.
It seems to be a nice place.
Yes, Dadaji. Dadaji, you know, nobody is happy with you coming here.
What? What you said? Say again.
Nobody is happy with you coming here.
Oh my God.
You know, they want you to be in the old age home.
Old age home? Say it again.
They want you to be in the old age home.
Old age home? Old age home. Oh my God. Old age home. Yes, I have seen. They people were not happy to see me here. Oh, old age home. Now, where I will go? Oh. Oh. Oh, you see, for this day only I have worked hard. I did all the things that a father does, but now I have become a burden on them. I know people are sending their parents to old age home, but they forget one thing. That one day they will also become old.
Dadaji, wake up, Dadaji. Mummy, Papa, wake up, Dadaji. Mummy, wake up, Dadaji.
Oh, what happened to him?
Mummy, Papa, wake up, Dadaji.
Oh God, what happened to him?
I don't know what had happened to him. He just fainted all of a sudden.
What? Let me check. Oh God, he's no more.
What? No more.
Mummy, what happened, Dadaji?
Nothing. Just go inside. Someone please get her inside.
Please don't cry. Don't cry.
Hey, what is this? Wow, silver watch. It seems very much costly. Wow. This is
Hello?
mine.
Let
Yeah,
me see.
hello.
Shut up. This is mine. going?
I have a very bad news for you.
There must be
Father
something
is no
bad.
more.
Wow, two golden bracelets. These are mine. Give my share. Wow, golden rings. Father, you were such a nice person. Wow, diamond rings. It seems like a will.
Will?
Something 25 crore is written.
25 crores?
I'm not getting what is written in it.
Leave the will, yaar.
Hey, we must call a lawyer. Then only we can know what is written in it.
Hey, in this situation, we should call a doctor. What is the use of a lawyer here?
No, what the doctor will is dead. Yeah, she's absolutely right. And you just shut up. Chotu bhaiya, we must call a lawyer. Let's call a lawyer.
Can I have your phone?
Take the phone.
Hello? Can I speak Mr. Jay, the lawyer? Hello, ma'am. This is Ankit Kapoor, Adit's younger brother. Ma'am, will you please come to our home? There is an urgent piece of work. Yes, ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. The lawyer is coming.
Yeah, that's nice. Then only we can know what is written in the will. Let the lawyer come. Yeah, come in.
Hello.
Are you his lawyer?
Yes. What happened to him?
He just died this morning only.
Oh my God! When and how did he die?
Yeah, he was just having a walk and he fainted all of a sudden.
But yesterday he met me and he was so happy. He told me to write his will. He has property worth 25 crores. If you are his natural heirs, it will be equally divided to you.
25 crores?
Yes, 25 crores.
Oh my God.